interactive TV, I think, is at a major turning point.
Technology is changing really fast, and you can't rely upon blogs and magazines and things like that. Sometimes you just need to sit with your colleagues and discuss, find out what's going on.
We really have the perfect mix of content owners, programmers, distributors, emerging distribution partners.
And we really look at both the most innovative ideas that are out there, as well as real deployed reality.
It is always the center of attention for everybody who really wants to focus in on what's real about interactivity.
Everybody is in the same place, and it's run at like 2x the pace of a normal conference. It's over one day, 12 hours, everyone talks at twice the normal speed and packs a lot of stuff in, and there's no bullshit.
So social media has brought television watching in the intended time period back again.
The walls between the social networks and the rest of the web have really just been eroded. And users, consumers, customers expect a social experience wherever they go.
The single most popular thing that people want to know is what are other people watching.
We're using a second screen to communicate with people in real time about the program that we're watching. So the water cooler hasn't died, it's just gone online.
Now social data is informing the TV stack real time in a multiple of ways that map towards real currencies. And by currencies, I mean it can make a network money, build its brands, and save it a little bit of money.
You know, a 9 to 14% increase in social buzz can lead to a 1% increase in ratings.
It's a great networking event. Everybody that comes to this show is passionate about the space.
The intimate conversations that you have just standing on a line somewhere or just as you're grabbing a coffee or a break, those are the moments that really make a conference.
They're a fantastic set of people here, so the follow-up conversations, pretty much every one of them was a company in the space that we've been looking to talk to.
You now have every major TV set maker, every cable operator, every satellite operator, all offering flavors of interactive television.
We're really trying to let people interact where they want, so whether it's on the television, on the PC, on their tablet, on their mobile phone, really opening up, removing any technology barriers that were there before and letting people interact how they want to interact.
A lot of talk about second screen interactivity, automatic content recognition technology. That's pretty exciting.
There's a lot going on with ACR and surfacing contextual content, and I think that's something that we're really focusing on as a brand in the new year.
We can identify whatever's playing based on just looking at the audio that's being played or at the video signal. And on a second screen, we can immediately display other information based on recognizing that audio signal.
I think if there is an opportunity for reinvention of the business model, it comes through massive data processing.
Television tomorrow is going to be, with IP and two-way data, that data will inform more intelligent buying and acquisition.
The smaller the audience, presumably the more targeted it is, and the more targeted it is, therefore the more valuable it is.
You get hardware to the table, you get the IP to the table, and you get the advertiser to the table, and that's when you're going to come through with breakthrough solutions.
You author once and you deploy everywhere, and it's brought to the user when they flip to your program.
It's a great place to learn.
The more we know about what's going on, the more we hear what dialogue's going on, the better it is for us to talk to our viewers.
I've been in San Francisco, now I'm here in New York.
Left coast, right coast, west coast or east coast, it's the place you gotta be.